This is just the beginning.
Hello guys, so yeah, today is day 21 and our light is still not in, so today will be like day 3 days of no lights. This is so bad, but then I want to do something interesting today. I want to go to the beach and train. So first of all, I want to drink my detox. Hello guys, so this is my detox. Let's have a drink. Then I go to the beach and train. Then after I have videos to edit, then I'll come and finish my videos. So that's what's up for today. Let's go. Hi guys, so this is us, and we are supposed to cross to the other side, and because parts of the sea from this side is very deep, so we had to use the right route to cross. Yeah, so this is us crossing, and Charlie, I'm so scared, but yeah, we got it. So which side are you going to? Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Why? Is that? Alright.
Don't do it alone.
Man, this is crazy. Wow. Just because I want to train at the beach.
Alright. Yeah.
Man. Need to train. Yeah. Guys, I have to train, but the sun here is so fucking hot. I wasn't able to come here early, so and I have to train too. So how do we do it? Anyway, let's do this. Day 21, 3 weeks. And guys, there's still no light, so it's been 3 days now. And I had a choice. It's two things: stay at home or wait for ECG, or go outside and make most of it. So guess what? I chose the beach. I went to the beach to train today, and honestly, it was the best decision I've ever made all week. The ocean, the air, the freedom, training outside hits completely different. In fact, then something happened that I did not plan. I ended up swimming just like that, fully in the water. But I laughed, like I genuinely laughed, because sometimes life takes everything from you, your lights, your laptop, your tears, and it gives you the ocean. In fact, it's been ages since I swam. And the guy said, Charlie, he wants to train me. I'm like, okay, why not? Let's do this. Honestly, I didn't see it coming, but I'm like, okay, fine. You can do it, Sha. Let's see how it goes. Fun, guys. That was fun, guys. Whew, I didn't plan to swim, but the feeling was everything. Yeah, some fun. Maybe I should be coming here more times to swim. But the guys really helped me out, Charlie, because I couldn't have done it on my own. But they were teaching me how to swim. That was fun, man. Smoking with some egg. Ooh. So guys, yeah, we are finally done for today, and today was amazing, in fact. So it's time to go home, but then we can't use the same route we used when we were coming. We had to use a different route because the sea is getting deeper and deeper. Yeah, so we had to use this pipeline, and this pipeline is actually a gas pipeline, and it runs from West Africa all the way to Nigeria. And we are working on it as if it's just something normal, but then yeah, this is what it is.
Yeah. Yeah, almost there. Finish line. Finish line. Yo, yeah, that is. I think.
Hi guys, so today I'm back home. Today was amazing. In fact, it was not planned. I just woke up and I was like, let me make the day count. So I went to the sea and at least fun stuff happened. Yeah, and the guys that helped me out, in fact, I've not seen them before, neither do I know them from anywhere, but it was really helpful. They were able to make me cross. If not for them, I wouldn't have been able to cross the sea from that side, because they were saying that because of the rain, some parts of the sea is very deep. So I don't know, but I was freaking out. But then, since they were like I should follow them, I felt like, can I do this? But at the end of the day, it happened. I was able to do it, and I feel amazing for that. Yeah. So day 21 done. I trained at the sea. I drank my detox, and I also work on some editing stuff. Yeah. So I'm Bibi. I'm rebuilding my life one adventure day at a time. See you tomorrow.